Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with basic confirmations. You have at least 20% battery, a quick backup, and you know which app or update arrived most recently. Once done, power the phone off fully by holding power until it shuts down, then wait 10 seconds. Make sure the volume and power buttons are free of debris and not jammed because a stuck key can force safe mode. If buttons are clear, proceed to a normal restart. That often exits safe mode immediately. If a normal restart didn't work, you need to isolate the cause. Start by uninstalling the newest or suspicious apps one at a time. You're removing triggers that tell Android to boot safe. Once you remove an app, reboot to check. If uninstalling doesn't fix it, boot into recovery mode and clear the system cache partition. This won't delete your data, but can remove corrupted temporary files. Make sure to test after each change so you don't reset unnecessarily. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up everything. This removes persistent software causes. If safe mode still returns after a reset, you likely have a hardware issue such as a stuck volume key. Make sure to test each button during boot. If you can't fix a sticky or faulty button, take the device to an authorized service center for repair. Troubleshooting tip: if safe mode persists after reset, stop and seek professional hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.